Welcome to MathZip. Today's topic, understanding ratios. So first, what is ratio? A ratio compares two numbers. When written out, several phrases can show how the ratio should be written. Like we can write A to B, or we can write A is to B, or we can write A by B. Similar, 5 to suppose 10, or 5 is to 10, or we can write 5 by 10, or we can write, once we simplify this one, 1 by 2. So lots of way we can express ratio. So our today question, express each ratio as a fraction in simplest form. So here is around 10 question we are trying to solve by this video. Let's start. Number 1, 15 feet out of 36. Look, 6 out of 8, we can write 6 is to 8, we can write 6 by 8. So 15 out of 36 feet. So we can write this one 15 by 36. Now we simplify this one because here mentioned simplest form. So 15 by 36, we can divide this one by 3. So 3 divide 15 is a 5, and 36 divide 3 is a 12. So 5 by 12 is our answer. Next, 48 rainy days out of 60 days. So out of also a form of ratio. So this one is 48 divide 60. So this one we can write what? 48 by 60 we can divide by 12. So 12, 48 divide 12 is a 4, and 60 divide 12 is a 5. Right? Next, 10 pins to 20 pins. So 10 divide 20, our answer will be, we can divide denominator and numerator by 10. So here is 1 and here is 2. 10 by 20 means 1 by 2. Number 4, 10 miles out of 12 miles. So 10 divide 12. Our answer will be, we can divide this fraction by 2. So 10 divide 2 is a 5, and 12 divide 2 is a 6. Right? Next, here is 18 beetles out of 72 insects. So this one we can write, look, 18 divide 72. So this fraction can be divided by 18. So 18 divide 18 is a 1, and 72 divide 18 is a what? 4. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. This is part A. Also here is part B, but we will finish later. First we have to finish part A. Number 6, 49 reams out of 77 coins. So 49 here is out of, so by 77. So once we simplify this one, we can divide by 7. So 49 by 7 is a 7, and 77 by 7 is a 11. Right? Now 15 students out of 30 students. So 15 by 30 we can write, we can divide by 15. So 15 divide 15 is a 1 and 30 divide 15 is a 2. Now 36 meters out of 100 meters. So we can write 36 by 100 equals to, so this one we can divide by what? This one we can divide by 4, right? So 36 by 4 is a 9 and 100 divide 4 is a 25. So we cannot simplify more. So this is our answer, 9 by 25. 80 across out of 90, 80 scores out of 90 scores. So 80 divide 90. So this one we can divide by 10. So 80 by 10 is a 8 and 90 by 10 is a 9. Here is 42 cars out of 124 cars. So first here is 42 by 124. So this one we can divide by 2. So 42 divide 2 is a 21 and 124 by 2 is a 62. So all the math of part A done. Now we will start part B. 5 pound to 35 pounds. So 5 by 35. This one is a very simple thing. We can divide this fraction by 5. So 5 divided 5 is a 1 and 35 by 5 is a 7. Next, 28 snow days out of 49 days. So 28 by 49. So this one we can divide by 7, right? 28 by 7 is a 4 and 49 divided 7 is a 7. Now 40 cups to 55 cups. So 40 divide 55. So this one we can divide by 5. That means 40 divide 5 is a 8 and 55 divide 5 is a 11. 28 red bikes out of 40 bikes. So 28 by 40. This one we can write what? Here is 28 by 40. So we can divide by 4. So 28 by 4 is a 7 and 40 divide 4 is a 10. Now 63 gallons to 84 gallons. So 63 by 84. So what will be the answer? This 63 we can divide by 21, right? So 21 by 63 by 21, it means here is 3, and also this 84 we can divide by 21. So here is what? 4. So let's simplify in right side 84. So look, 6 plus 3 is a 9. 9 can divide by 3. So this 63 we can divide by 3. So once we divide by 3, this one we will get 21. Again 8 plus 4 is a 12. 12 can be divided by 3. Therefore 84 also can be divided by 3. So here is 2 and then here is 8. Now this 21 and 28 can be divided by 7. So 21 by 7 is a 3 and 28 by 7 is a 4. So here is 3 by 4, right? Next, 12 cakes out of 36 cakes. So 12 by 36. This one we can divide by 12. So here is 12 divide 12 is a 1 and 36 divide 12 is a 3. So our answer is 1 by 3. Number 7. 3 floors out of 18 floors. So 3 divide 18. It's a very simple thing. We can divide this fraction by 3. So 3 divide 3 is a 1 and 18 divide 3 is a 6. So 1 by 6 is our answer. Now 14 heads divide 20 heads. So what will be the answer? 14 we can divide by what? 2. So it will be 7 and 20 also can divide by 2. So it will be 10. So our answer is 7 by 10. 2 sports out of 19 sports. So we cannot. So first 2 by 19. This one is a fraction. We cannot simplify anymore. So 2 by 19 is our answer. 7 messages out of 84 messages. So 7 divide 84. So very simple. 7 times 12 is a 84. So 7 divide 7 is a 1 and 84 divide 7 is a what? 12. Okay. So we are trying to solve around 20 math based on ratio. This is the basic level. Day by day we will go deep. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel. Ratio is very important part in our mathematical journey. So next video we will also discuss some more math about ratio. Till then, take care yourself, keep practice at home, and please subscribe my channel with this MathZip. Thank you.